Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
You can also fully or partially lock a layer or group to protect its contents. When you lock layers, a lock icon will display to the right of the layer name in the Layers panel. The lock icon will appear hollow when the layer is only partially locked, and it will appear solid when the layer is fully locked. If you change the individual settings of a locked layer within a locked layer group or set, the lock icon will appear dimmed. To lock a layer or group, first select it over in the Layers panel, and we'll work with this test layer that we created. If you want to apply a full lock, then you just click the Lock button towards the top of the Layers panel to fully lock the selected layer and all of its attributes. That's located right here. And you'll see that little lock icon appear. We can unlock it by clicking it again. It's just a toggle button. To partially lock a layer, you can click any one of the other buttons that are available next to the lock icon. They are from left to right: Lock Transparency, which prevents changes to the transparent pixels in a layer; Lock Image Pixels, which prevents changes to the layer's pixels with your painting tools; or even Lock Position, which prevents moving the layer's pixels. Let's go ahead and click that one. Now, if you happen to be working with a text layer, you'll notice that the Lock Transparency and Lock Image Pixels locks are selected by default. You cannot change these settings for type layers. In this case, we have selected to lock the position. If we go back up into our image then with our Move tool and try and move it, we'll get an error message that says you cannot complete this request because the layer is locked. So if we wanted to, we could then go back in, unlock that layer, and then we could use the Move tool to move it around. And so that's how you lock layers over in the Layers panel.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.